Hey, what's up everyone, I am Shobikos from 1 Million Gadgets, and Samsung has launched Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo, and this is the Samsung's first budget range smartphone to have the dual camera setup at the back. So today in this video I am going to talk about Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo's features, specifications, price, launch date. We are going to check what type of sensors Samsung is going to provide with this device, and at the end of the video we are going to check is it truly a Redmi Note 5 Pro killer or not. Design-wise, the device looks almost identical to Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2, and I have made a separate video on Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2. I'll put the link in the I button, even in the description. You can check that video. Except there is a major change at the back side, that this device provides dual camera setup at the back, and we get a metal build at the back side. Even the fingerprint sensor is also placed at the front side. Display. The display is the same old aspect ratio display. It's a 16:9 aspect ratio display, and it's a 5.5 inch only HD display. No Full HD, only HD 720p display, but it's a Super AMOLED display. Again, there is no improvement in the processor segment too. Samsung is providing the same old Exynos 7 series processor, which is Exynos 7870 octa-core processor, and this processor is clocked at 1.6 GHz. In graphics processing unit, it has Mali T830 MP1 GPU. The device is going to come in 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, and out of the box, the device is going to run Android 8.1 Oreo. So it's a good thing that out of the box you are going to get the latest Android version. Now let's talk about the camera. At the back side you are going to get a dual camera setup in this device, and one of them is 13 megapixel and other one is 5 megapixel shooter. The 13 megapixel camera has f1.9 aperture, and the secondary 5 megapixel camera also has 1.9 aperture. The back camera can record video up to Full HD in 30 fps, no 4K recording. The front camera is a 8 megapixel shooter with f1.9 aperture. Even you will get a single LED flash at the front side. Okay, now let's talk about the sensors. The device is going to spot a fingerprint sensor at the front side, and you are also going to get accelerometer sensor and proximity sensor. And no other sensor Samsung has highlighted, so that means Samsung is keeping all those sensors. So with this device you are not going to get gyroscope sensor, ambient light sensor and many other sensors. So finally, to run all these features, the device is going to pack a 3000 mAh battery. And the device is going to be available in retail store from 12th April 2018. So in India, the Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo is going to be priced at 16,990 rupees. And the device is going to be available in two colors variant, one is black and other one is gold. Okay, now let's compare this device with Redmi Note 5 Pro. Though we should not compare this device with Redmi Note 5 Pro, cause Redmi Note 5 Pro is far better than Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo. Okay, now let me tell you some reasons why Redmi Note 5 Pro is better. Number 1. Redmi Note 5 Pro has better display. It has Full HD Plus panel and it's a 18:9 aspect ratio display. Redmi Note 5 Pro has better processor, which is Snapdragon 636, and J7 Duo is still lagging with the same old Exynos 7 series processor. And Exynos 7870 is even slower than Snapdragon 625. Number 3. Redmi Note 5 Pro has better front camera, which is a 20 megapixel shooter, and J7 Duo has 8 megapixel front camera. Number 4. In Redmi Note 5 Pro you will get almost all the sensors a smartphone should have, and in J7 Duo you will not get gyroscope sensor, even accelerometer sensor. And it's a very bad habit of Samsung. They almost remove the important sensors from their budget range devices. Number 5. Redmi Note 5 Pro has better battery backup, which has 4000 mAh battery, whereas J7 Duo has only 3000 mAh battery. Number 6. Redmi Note 5 Pro's 4GB RAM variant is priced at 13,999 rupees, whereas Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo's 4GB model is priced at 16,990 rupees. So that's pretty much it, friend. I hope these informations and details definitely helped you to know about this device. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video then give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and obviously hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next video. So tata friends, bye bye, have a nice day.